how to make money in the stock market. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the only way that you can statistically and consistently earn money in the stock market. My name is David Jaffe. I graduated from an Ivy League university with a 3.8 GPA. I worked as an investment banker for about 5 years. I have worked on billions of dollars worth of transactions. Here's my transcript from Cornell. And then actually here's one of the pitch books that I worked on. This was, I think, the Metals USA when we sold it to Apollo. I worked at about 3 or 4 different investment banks. Where, as I said, I've worked on about $10 billion plus of transactions, whether it's M&A transactions, capital raises, etc. And the point is that I'm going to, and I've also been trading for over 20 years. In 2017, I made around $755,000 trading with a 95% success rate. And the thing that you want to avoid, the thing that I see hurts people the most when they try to make money in the stock market is they try to guess future price movements. You never want to try to guess future price movements. You don't want to be a price guesser or anything like that. Instead of being a gambler, you want to be the casino. And the only way that you can actually act like a casino and make money consistently is by selling option premium. I made in 2017 around $755,000 worth of profit, and about 70 to 80% of that money was made by selling put options. If I was forced to day trade or sell forex or sell penny stocks, I would lose all of my money. So the only statistically valid way that you can earn money in the stock market is by selling option premium, because that turns you into the casino. That turns you into the insurance company where you're collecting money, you're collecting premium, and you're not trying to guess future price movements and trying to hit home runs. Because we all know what happens when people try to hit home runs. They strike out. Yes, occasionally, maybe 1 out of 30 times, they'll hit a home run and then they'll post those results online to share it with everyone so that people can give them praise and adulation. But the reality is the other 29 out of 30 times that they strike out, they're extremely quiet and they don't post anything. And that's why they lose money. If anyone ever claims that they make money by day trading, trading penny stocks, buying options, or trading forex, make sure that they provide you with their entire trading statement from a legitimate financial broker like an E-Trade, Interactive Brokers, Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard, etc. And also make sure that they provide you with a screen recording inside their app and inside their account that shows their entire transaction history. Because I can tell you, with my 20 years of experience trading, my 5 or 6 years of working as an investment banker on Wall Street, and the $10 billion plus of transactions that I've worked on while working on Wall Street, the only way for retail traders to consistently make money is by selling option premium. The way that Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley and some of the high-frequency trading firms make money is they act as market makers. That's not something that a retail trader has access to, because you can't buy shares directly from the exchange and then profit off the bid-ask spread differential. Instead, the only statistical way that you're going to consistently make money is by selling puts and selling calls. That's it. This is David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. You can go to BestStockStrategy.com and receive $400 worth of free materials. Just enter your email address, subscribe below, click the little bell so you'll receive a notification of when the videos come out. And if you instantly want to become a successful and profitable trader, you can sign up for the trade alerts. It's only $19 for 7 days, and you can simply copy my trades, and I'm one of the world's best traders. If you have a comment, leave it below. You can share this video with some of your friends, because I'm sick and tired of people losing money when they try to hit home runs and they listen to all these fake gurus. You guys have a responsibility to yourself to educate yourself, to learn how to trade, to learn how to sell option premium, because that is the only way that you're going to consistently make money. Thank you so much. Once again, this is David Jaffe from BestStockStrategy.com, and if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Thanks again.